I want to share with you a little plant shopping I did. I went to my big local garden center and they had rubber plants and ZZ fiddle leaves and succulents, some caladiums, more rubber plants, some philodendrons, and all kinds of indoor plants that look so beautiful. These are some lilies and more type of philodendrons and the mother-in-law tongue. Bunch of pretty things. The sissy plant again. And I found, I'll show you in a minute, elephant ears. I love the elephant ears. Colocasia and alocasia. So I keep looking at some of the beautiful plants. There's more caladiums. And I don't know the names of all of them, but they are gorgeous and I wish I could buy them all. However, I found the clearance section and I love to buy plants on clearance and save them if I can, or just get some little one and then see it grow. Look at this gorgeous specimen. Anyway, among the clearance, which are always half dead or dried out or something, I found a bunch of little ones and the prices were really good. You got me at 50% off. And I found another container that had a plant with no name and no price tag. It ended up being only $7. And after I tried to see and figure what it was, it is a Philodendron Imperial Green, and it's tiny as you can see. I saw this other poor little thing, and I took it home for half the price. Look at how it looks, the poor thing. Just see how it looks. It has some messed up parts and missing a bunch of leaves. I'm going to think a name for it, a name for him. I think of it as a boy. And I am not sure exactly of the name just yet, but I was checking on everything I could see and figure what needed help. And it had some little, kind of like, not exactly a plague, but it had some black little webs. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the time to subscribe. So as you can see here, the dirt was so dry. And I keep looking at the leaves. I want to clean them. And I use this product that, if you care to see, I have an affiliate link in the information box below this video. It was very dirty. I guess the whole season of just sitting on some shelves outside was not the thing. So I clean every single leaf, on the bottom of the leaf as well. So I added some neem oil under the leaves, but I think I didn't record that. Then my gardener helper and me went outside to give it a good water, just for the soil to be completely soaked. And I had my little measurement tool that is also in the links. If you don't have one, I strongly recommend to get one, because it helps me to see which plant needs more water and when to stop, because I don't want to be just watering like crazy. And so it's looking a little shinier, a little better. I think next spring I'm going to get rid of that leaf that is all torn and make some little notches on the trunk. And see, it's kind of sad, but I don't want to cut it right now because it's going to be needing its winter coat. And the reason some trees grow leaves at the bottom, some fiddle leaves grow at the bottom, is stress. When the poor tree feels that it's dying, it starts sprouting leaves at the bottom, which is where most of the energy and hormones and whatever are down there to try to survive. So poor thing, I'm going to help it the best way I can. And this is a little update on one of the other videos where I was cleaning and trying to save the caladium bulbs. This is the update. This is the result. It's looking all happy. And thanks for watching.